Good afternoon and welcome to part 2 of my truck conversion here. As you can see, I managed to get the back end cut up, and I'm beginning to open it up and start to get the design set up for it. I'm waiting for the chemical to come in that turns rust back into metal. As you can see, I've got the fenders and the bumper and everything over there. I gotta finish cutting up that side. I want to open up the back end to the correct opening, and then I'm going to cut off that rail, but first I'm going to take the top off. I'm waiting for a tarp to show up too, so once if it rains I can cover this thing. But that's what the back end looks like without the fenders on it. And as you can see, I've got the rear end pretty well. I'm still got to cut out all that mess, but I got to take the top off to really do that correctly. I got a vacuum cleaner now so I can vacuum out all the garbage, and I'm going to wire wheel all the rust, the crusty rust out of there before I use the chemical on it, because it says you really have to apply it to the base rust. So, but I'm working on it. I got a new door panel and getting ready to put that back in. And since now I got the vacuum cleaner, I cleaned out the dashboard so I can reassemble that pretty soon. And I still got to take the front end off and replace all that. So not a big amount today. I mean, other than the fact that I did manage to get most of that. As you can see, I cut out a lot of the garbage out of that corner, and I mounted the amplifier up against the wall for now. Since I'm not really driving, I can't drive this car now without the tail end on it. It's basically, I can basically do what I need to do. So I'm having fun. Cutting up this rear end is a trick and a half. Unfortunately, I probably should have mocked it up a little bit more before I did it, but since I'm going to put a whole new interior for the box for the truck thing, that basically I could cut off that, but I kind of wanted to keep it because I can bolt up the fenders to it. So it should be interesting. I'm still working on design and trying to figure out what all structure is, because for accident they put in a lot of support structure in the back of these in case of an accident. So basically what's going to happen is when I put the box in, I got to kind of figure out how to make it sturdy enough so that if it does get hit in the rear end, it has a certain amount of safety put into it, because it's not going to have all the structure it used to have. Like I said, I'm cutting out a lot of the support structure in the car, which bothers me a little bit. Okay, well, that's it for today. We'll update this when I get further into the project. Hopefully I'm going to pick up that wood and start building up the interior, the mock-up for the box frame. So hopefully that'll be on the next video. Thanks so much for listening. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.